Looking for wireless earbuds that help you focus without distractions? Huawei FreeBuds 7. I deliver powerful active noise cancellation, clear and punchy sound, and a comfortable in-ear fit designed for all-day listening. With smart features and a modern design, they're built for work, travel, and everyday use. In this video, we'll explore what the FreeBuds 7i offer and how they perform in real-world use. Let's get started. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Huawei FreeBuds 7i, extra ear tips, and user manual. Want to grab the Huawei FreeBuds 7i from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features? Listen in peace on a pair of earbuds designed to neutralize noise. An 8mm air vent and 3 powerful mics work in tandem with advanced ANC 4.0 to keep distractions at bay. Huawei FreeBuds 7i is built to keep calls clear. In addition to 3 mics, the new bone conduction mic precisely picks up voices, while AI call noise cancellation ensures clarity even in windy or noisy environments with noises up to 90 decibels. With an 11mm quad magnet dynamic driver that unlocks lifelike vocals, deep textures, and studio-grade balance. Fine-tune it further with 10 EQ bands and personalized audio styles. Immerse yourself in 360-degree sound with head tracking and unlimited spatial audio regardless of what you're listening to and which device you listen on. Answer and reject incoming calls hands-free by nodding or shaking your head. Specifications. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. How to pair. Open your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. This allows your phone to search for and pair with wireless devices. Ensure it's not connected to other Bluetooth audio devices. Open the charging case with the buds inside. Press and hold the pairing button on the back until the LED blinks white. This means your buds are now discoverable to nearby devices. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap on Huawei Buds from the list. Wait a few seconds for the devices to connect successfully. You may be prompted to confirm or allow access. Tap Pair or OK. Open Google Chrome on your Android phone and search for Huawei AI Life on Huawei's official website. Download the APK, allow installation when prompted, and install the app. Once opened, you can manage settings, customize controls, and update your Huawei devices easily. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Huawei FreeBuds 7i. See you in the next one.